Yeah, it's your boy Slime 365 Street News. Slimehollywoodbeats in the building. Our Street Squad still running the streets. I don't give a fuck, man. How many niggas it take to kill a nigga, man? To thrill a nigga, man. To rock a nigga, man. To knock off a nigga, man. To cap off a nigga, man. I stay strapped, so I'm always in the zone, man. I'm always looking in my zone, man. I stay on my swivel. I'm looking left and right. I'm staring in my rearview mirror tonight because I know how these niggas creep. They slime. I don't understand. I just sit back, stay on my swivel, man. Swoop back through, double back, pick up my paper, change the route. Change the whole scene, no doubt. I'm steady running and getting my clout up. They ain't stopping that, no doubt about it. I don't know what they acting about, what they facting about. I ain't capping over here. You can talk that shit day and night. You can run it this year for sure. We gonna show you and tell. I'm gonna show you how I burn these trees so well in this backwoods, so slow. I just love this good fucking dro. You know me, I've been a pro. Cut off my afro, so I rock a bald head with Cartiers on. I'm always on. Precise, persistent. You understand me? There's no resistance. When my squad's in the building, we just filling it up. We bringing the pain. Bring me that Don Roberto when I get off the plane. I'm just swerving when I'm in my lane. I may just be a little tipsy, I can't explain. You know my name, survival lives in me. Hey, I'm from the Bay Area, my ghetto play area. You know how I do it, man. It be that tropical. Don't make me act the fool. Knuckle up and buckle up and guard that grill. Pull out that chrome or that blue steel. Bitch niggas, I got that whip appeal over here. You know what I'm saying? I'm coming from the rear. Goddamn right, I'm coming clear. I see everything in front of me in sight. You goddamn right, I got the bright zone.